Hi you guys, it's me, Four Seasons. Welcome back to the garden. Happy Sunday. Real quick, I just wanted to let you know this week I'm going to put out a couple of videos, not long ones. One that I find really cool, really interesting on companion planting. I think you guys will find it really interesting and really cool and beneficial and make you think of things a little bit differently. And secondly, I'm going to do an update on our Dollar General sproutlets. Some concerns I'm having, you know, we're mid-summer through. I'm not ready, quite organized yet to do the before and after, you know, when they were little and what they look like now, because I was going through some pictures like that and it's incredible, the growth. But I'm going to do a little video about, you know, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Let's put it that way at this point. Please go ahead and follow Eccentric Nature and Geeky Garden. They're the ones who put up the challenge, or Eccentric Nature actually put up the challenge for the herbs. That was great fun. And to everybody who participated, that was really a lot of fun. They have great non-drama, chill out pages. I'm going to be shipping out soon to Bermuda, so I'm hoping I'll get a lot of footage there. I'm going to pay attention more to their native plants and gardens, and maybe even try to book a garden tour of some form. Last couple times I was there, it was just, you know, went to Front Street and, you know, did everything towards the pink sand beaches, of course. I'm hoping to bring back some footage to show you guys. I can't obviously use my phone on the ship. It's just unaffordable for me, the cost of the Wi-Fi. But yeah, things are popping. But I do want to give like my midsummer opinion on the Dollar General seeds and get that companion planning video out, and just say thank you to all. This has been such a fun time and experience, and so there's going to be a lull for a little while. Put up those 2 videos and then I won't be around for a while, but when I come back, hopefully I have something really special to share with you guys, okay? Enjoy the rest of July, and again, thanks for all your support. And if you like the channel, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye now.